Set to go. Race number 4. Good luck on your pick 4 choices. The 1200-meter race is underway. We have Melody's Diamond shows alertness at the start. Right behind second is Striker Symbol. Moving up to take second is the favorite Caloocan's up. Then comes Ikaw Banyaw, Can't Rule Out, and Misha is the tail ender as they race towards the half-mile pole. Melody's Diamond by about a length and a half is Striker Symbol. Caloocan's up, moving up on the outside. Then comes Ikaw Banyaw, Can't Rule Out, second last, and Misha as they race towards the 450. Now the course of the wind has been altered as the favorite Caloocan's up takes up the running over Melody's Diamond. Then comes a Striker Symbol, Can't Rule Out, Ikaw Banyaw, Misha, and down the stretch they go. Caloocan's up this time starts to draw away by some 3 lengths. Running in second down on the inside, Melody's Diamond moving up, Can't Rule Out, and finally Caloocan's up. Melody's Diamond, Can't Rule Out, is Striker Symbol. Then comes Ikaw Banyaw and Misha.
Okay,